I am sure if you have had melasma or any type of pigmentation, you may have heard of the Cosmelan method that you can have performed in clinic. And this is something that we offer in our treatment centre here at Skin Mart. But after having this treatment, it is really important that you follow with the correct aftercare. And that's where the Cosmelan 2 cream comes in. This cream can be used as a standalone product and it has some amazing results. It's a potent depigmenting cream that addresses all types of pigmentation, especially melasma, which can be really hard to treat. It also has an amazing effect on the skin texture and is anti-aging. Another great thing about this cream is it's suitable for all skin types and you can use it from a very fair complexion to very dark. When using this cream, we recommend you use it at night after thoroughly cleansing the skin. Apply a small amount all over the face and the neck area if you would like to treat this area as well. After it has been absorbed, we strongly suggest that you follow with the Mesoestetic products that has been specifically designed to support the skin while using the Cosmelan 2 cream. This includes the Hydra Milk Cleanser, Hydra Mist and Hydra Factor K Moisturiser and a soothing mask. But the most important part of treating pigmentation is the SPF. It is an absolute must to use SPF 50 every single day. We suggest the Melanin 130 Protect to complement this regime. It has a slight tint, so it will also help if you are slightly red, which can happen when using the Cosmelan 2 cream. I will pop the links below if you would like to read more about any of these products. And if pigmentation is one of your main concerns, or if you would like to know whether this cream and our in-clinic Cosmelan treatment is suitable for your skin type, please visit the website on our page for a complimentary skin consultation.